Yo, what's going on, homies? Welcome back. Today we're actually stuck in the rain, so I'm not gonna have the camera out too long. This spillway is supposed to be swarming with wipers right now, so we're gonna get out there and we're just gonna have some fun, hopefully putting a hurt on some wipers. This is something I don't really ever do, but it sounded like fun. I'm out with some buddies, so we're just gonna have some fun today. I hope the GoPro works. Whenever it rains, for some reason my microphone goes out on this GoPro. Haven't figured out why, but it does. So it's raining, but it's a beautiful day to be out here fishing. So let's get with the boys. We're gonna hopefully get on some wipers. I hope my GoPro doesn't go out because I don't know why, but it does that all the time. Dude, I probably don't even have to reel this because of this current. I don't really know how this is gonna work, but we'll try it. Man, these rocks are insanely slippery. Gotta be careful. Oh, am I snagged or am I on? Oh. All right. Let's try and get one of these suckers. What I'm gonna do is, since I don't have any like Carolina rigging stuff, I wanna get closer to that bottom. I kinda wanna hug the bottom. So what I did was I put a bullet weight up top with a little stopper bead so I could hopefully get to where I need to go. It's really flooded, so the current's just really strong. Gotta get something down there in front of their face. I'm the white bass fisherman. I'm just kind of winging this completely, but I would like to catch one. That would be cool. There's one. No, is that a snag? Yep. Lovely. Speak of the... Not a lot. Just like every once in a while, kind of.
Rocks up close to you or like get you. It's not like out there. It's like,
oh no, it's out there for sure. Came off though. Huh? Oh yeah. I gotta get it down in there. There's one. Feels, I can't tell if it's the current or a decent fish, you know? Oh yeah. Hey Corey, look at this sauger. That's actually a really good sauger. Okay.
Hey, if we get some big ones, take them. I'll have a fish fry tonight. What's the size of the sauger? 16 inch maybe?
All right, one saw guy, I'll take it. That one hit right off the shore.
That's a big fish. Striper. As soon as I asked that.
Oh yeah. Here, you want me to land it? Or are you good?
Good fish, dude.
Ugh. Oh yeah. There you go. Here, you want me to grab it? There you go. Corey with the first target species. Here, I'll take one on my phone too for you.
Yeah. Plus, I think we're gonna hit a good amount of them.
I'm gonna get my big camera though, so if anybody needs anything from the car, let me know. A little update, I came back to the car and actually I'm gonna grab the camera bag and bring it over to where we're fishing. But to give you guys a quick little update, we're fishing basically just a big dam and there's wipers running. So far I caught a saw guy. My two friends have caught some saw guy, and then my buddy caught the target species, which was the wiper, and it was actually a pretty nice one, like 4 or 5 pounder. So I'm grabbing some gear at the car and I'm gonna head back over there and hopefully we catch a couple more. I'm kind of an idiot and totally forgot like half the tackle I meant to bring. So unfortunately, I don't have the lures I wish I could be fishing right now, but I still think we can still catch them. So we're gonna try and do that, and hopefully I get one. I'd like to get one before we get out of here, just change things up.
I got 15. Like, I only started fishing once a year.
Oh yeah? There's one. Oh! Got off.
What do you think of that reel though?
Dude, this reel's so nice. It's just so light.
Yeah.
I had one.
Did you?
Yeah, it got off though. Come on, give me a wiper. We are going to Big Daddy. And I snag it, first cast. There. Did you see where that landed?
That's where I caught my one on the kite deck.
The odds of that little crag, me actually hitting that. Chilling. Puppy's chilling.
Must be a carp.
Am I the only one who hasn't caught one yet?
Got him.
There we go.
Tang.
Wiper's got broken lateral bars opposed to a striped bass that's got the solid like this all the way down. Just a little education for you.
Look at this guy. Oh, he's a lot smaller than the other one. But that right there, guys, is the target species. Good one?
Yeah.
Of course. Kitech?
No.
What do you, oh, on the crankbait. Here, give me a rod, give me a rod, give me a rod. But my friends are laying them out today, not me, so I guess we'll just showcase. It's a pretty good day. That's the biggest, probably biggest saugeye I've seen in person.
It's a good one. I think it's mean looking.
Nice.
What's he see?
Gonna fillet that one up?
Yeah, I think so. I think he's worth keeping.
Yeah, it's a good fish. So,
Do you have a stringer in his bag?
I got the zoom lens on. No, he doesn't. I got the zoom lens on, but friends are laying them out. I gotta catch one. I'm trying to catch one good fish here. I'm gonna get back to fishing.
Using the Barbie rod. It worked awesome on Barbie rod.
All right, big dog.
Yeah, that's my last guess.
Today's trip was pretty random. My buddy called me up. I got out of work last minute. We ran up here. I didn't really have the correct gear to be doing what I wanted to be doing. My buddies did. And needless to say, they caught way more fish than I did. It was still fun. It was still a cool day. My buddy Corey caught quite a few stripers and a really good saugeye, and I caught one saugeye. So I don't catch saugeye too often, so that's pretty cool. But I don't know, I was just fishing with the boys. We were just hanging out today. We came out here for wipers, and the boys ended up getting a nice little stringer of saugeye. So check them out.
You got some wipers?
Hold up yours, Corey. He's got just spinning.
Got him.
So not too shabby.
Yeah, we can take care of him.
So we are back at the house, guys, and let me show you, what I wish I had, because if I would have brought this, I probably would have caught some wipers today. I literally left this guy right here. This was the box that I needed today, and I totally forgot to grab it. So unfortunately, I didn't do that hot today, but I got out with some buddies that I don't get to see too often. Actually, one buddy. The other kid I actually just met today, but he was a cool dude. We went out there just to have some fun. It wasn't really anything crazy, and I know the filming was kind of all over the place because the weather was just bipolar and things like that. But I got out there. My buddies caught some good fish. They both took home a saugeye, so they're gonna get some nice fillets, and it was a good day. I can't complain at all. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, if you like this video, drop a like for me, hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and hey, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go over to Instagram and shoot me a follow. I post a lot of content on there that's pretty exclusive to Instagram. It really doesn't get shared here on YouTube. So if you guys want to get a little more into what I do, just go over there and hit me up even if you want to. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.